Okay, now it's time to animate. I hope you're enjoying this, really. So to animate, it's gonna be pretty easy. First of all, if I want to animate, I will animate surface 1 only, and the two other layers will follow. For that, we need to do some parenting. I will bring the parent, I will say columns and parent. I will parent the two bottom layers to the first layer because I want to use the position and the scaling if you'd like to. Cool. Then I will open the position, I will open the scale, that's pretty cool. I will keyframe both of them and move it to over here, for example, if you like, and make it 100 or 0% even. Yes, coming from here, 0% will do. Okay, then after a few seconds, let's say 2 seconds, I want it to become 100%. Okay, so I will just write 100%, and I want it to come over here. Okay, and actually I want it much bigger. I want it that way. Yep. Okay, yes, this will do a bit more. Not bad. Cool. So if I look at my animation, it's straightforward now, but my keyframes are linear keyframes. I will click on the keyframe, say keyframe interpolation. You already studied all this. I hope you know it very well. I'm gonna make them Bezier. That's pretty cool. And then also this one, I can make it Bezier. Let's say keyframe interpolation, linear, make it Bezier, and make it Bezier. Cool. Here you are. Let's say we do like this, and this one comes here. And let's look at our animation now. It's glowing, coming in, and it will bump. Of course, I will come over here. For both of them, press F9 and make them easy ease. I can come to the graph and start playing with the graph the way you like. Okay, for example, for the position here, you can work with the Y and Z or whatever you want. I'm not gonna do that here because you can play with it. Let's animate and see. Pretty good. It stays in place. Okay, that's one animation. Of course, you can see now and work on it and say, okay, I want it to come from far. I want it to come from like this. And from here, for example, no, I don't want it to be that big. Reduce. Then it will come very fast. Here you are. Look what's gonna happen. Come like this, and then it sits in place. That's pretty cool. Cool, guys? Okay, that's done. Now we want to add the background. I will go to my project. I have here a background for you. I will take it and drop it. Now this background, first of all, we need to make it as big as the composition. So we go fit to comp, but it has so many stars and the colors maybe we don't like. So there are several ways to do it. The first one is, of course, use curves. And we are learning about curves, so let's use it. Come to curves and drop it on this layer. What I will do, I will crush the colors completely. Right? And bring my planet here. Not bad. That's cool. Or make it bigger. And I can play with the red, give it more red if I like to. There is no red here. I can also play with the green, the blue. If I take it down, nothing will appear. Take up the blue. Let's crush more the colors, and here you are. You have a fantastic background. You took any background and you made it quite cool. Now we have a problem. This is not rotating at all. The planet is not rotating. I'll come to the first surface, open, and you see there is no rotation. So I will keyframe the 3 rotations, come to the end of the composition. Just give them random values. Anything you will like will work here depending on what you want to do. Okay, so let's run now our animation. Press spacebar. It's gonna take some time to render. Of course, we are moving a lot of layers and we are moving the turbulent displays. That will take quite some processing. So our planet is rotating, not so much. Okay, let's go back, press U, and let's add a bit of the rotation. What you want to add is the Y rotation. If you come to the beginning of the Y, let's make it 0 and 0. And at the end here, I can use the navigation here. We have 1 and so on. It should be good. Let's run a RAM preview. We come to preview, for example, and press the RAM preview. Now maybe it's not much better. Okay, but it's rotating. We can see it. Cool. Now that you have done your animation, you can come and start changing the colors. In surface 1, for example, you can crush it with the curves again. You can apply curves to it and decide, okay, let's remove the colors, make it darker. let's hike the red or diminish the red and make it green like this, and here you are, it's becoming all green. Of course you could do that the same for having this one becoming stronger and not red, using the curves. So actually you have a lot of manipulation to do. If you build it and you are using the right effects and you know how to move the effects, then everything will be fine. Let's look at our animation at the final look, and then we will move on to the challenge. Here is your final render, and now our planet is green and rotating pretty fast. So what I would like you to do here, come and make it to your taste. Make it the way you like it. The rotation is a bit wrong here. Nevertheless, this is what we work together just to demonstrate to you. You can make it slowlier, you can make it with more impact, you can change the motion path and do whatever you like. It's very important that you rebuild this animation. And in the next lecture, we start our first challenge for the CC sphere. I'll see you then.